back to Joeleden. Today she's going to be doing my makeup. She is not very good at doing makeup, but she is an artist. So
well, we don't know that. Because I haven't really tried.
But you also have broken fingers. If you like my sweater, please use the first link in the description and use the code EdenK4720 for 20% off your purchase.
Eden what?
K4720.
What's the K stand for? Your last name's Lola. That's weird.
Let me just start by wiping off all of my...
That's a little too close for comfort.
Oh, there it goes.
Eden, I'm just gonna wing it.
Let's begin.
Got the club going hard on a Tuesday.
You told me you had pink.
They're in the
and
Sweet
orange.
Peach palette. I do. They're in the Sweet Peach palette. That one's
I'd like you to
vibrant.
point out yellow to me, Eden.
I didn't tell you I had yellow.
Yes, you did. You just said that literally 2 seconds ago.
I did.
Play the clip. You told me you had pink
They're in the
and
Sweet
orange.
Peach palette.
Alright, so we're going to start with foundation. Or gotta find all the boring beige stuff. No, that is not it. This is concealer.
You have to prep your face first.
Like with water? With water. Primer!
Huh?
I thought they were the same thing. I don't know how much it is to use, so I'm gonna start with that and just kind of wing it. Alright, so I'm just gonna put a little there. Oh heck, that's not a little. That looks like a booger. Like it literally chunked off into a piece of rice. It's gonna look like I'm pointing at you the whole time.
Just
Okay.
just
It
heads
doesn't
up.
feel right. Yes.
Left eye. You know how that goes.
Ah!
It likes to wiggle sometimes.
No. I think there needs one, and that there's nothing there, but whatever. It's the same brush, cause why not?
Oh,
There we go.
sure.
I can't find primer. Like I don't like
You just used primer.
what? Did I?
That's what this is.
Figure out something to put that on.
Oh, that was a ghost.
Oh! Concealer and foundation. Heck yes. Okay.
Hello.
You know what? Keep your eyes on the finger. Do that.
Now they're both the exact same, but one has more in it than the other one. So you might just want to grab the one that's more full.
Well, this one looked more full. I'm just gonna do some. I'm gonna do some art.
You're pushing so hard, you're pulling my cheek with it.
I never see you doing your makeup in the morning. Well, I'm worried I'm gonna put it right up your nose, and that could be bad. Ah! I put a flake. Okay, wait there. Okay. Wait. There. Okay. Looks good. What the heck? Where's the brush?
There is no brush.
Well, why not?
That's why I dump it on my hand.
Stupid? No, I'm not doing that. So that.
Okay, you're definitely not using
oh my
that
gosh,
correctly.
I really just have to hold it down.
I'm so
Do you hold
used-
your own face down when you do this?
No,
Or
you're
is what
covering
they
my
say.
face and they can't see what you're doing.
Fun fact, Brooklyn can use her left and her right hand. She's just worse at using her left hand. Which is what most people can do, but like, ah! Gross! I saw your eyeball! It could be worse.
I don't think so.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go over your lips because there's a little thing right here and it's not really... Okay, so I'm gonna be a beauty expert and just first I'll scoot forward because I'm uncomfortable. Oh heck. So I think I'm just gonna dive right in and do her eyebrows because she doesn't have any.
Okay.
Oh. And so we're using the Nooner, and I'm going to use a thin brush. This one here, because it's already got brown on it. We're not using this one. We're using this here brush.
If you want to.
It's a lipstick one though, isn't it?
Well,
Yes.
it does say right on it.
This is the one we're using. It has stuff on it, but I think it'll be okay. And we're using, this hurts. I can't see it. That one right
I like
there.
your arm angles. That looks really
Thank
good.
you. So, damn it. I can already tell this isn't gonna work. This is not your color! It's friggin' red! Oh. It says eyebrow right on it!
Yes.
This wasn't
There's
even
also
here.
even a brush
Hold
in there.
on.
Oh, hello.
You have to get that out of there.
Ow.
Get that out. Stop complaining. Beauty is pain, darling. Okay, I'm gonna first of all draw it because I thought that was gonna go on like a pastel. It did not. And I'm kind of like, ignore her brows because I don't really like. Do you really think I have to worry about that? Oh, what the heck? Okay, I'm gonna soften that up a little.
Are you?
Maybe I should have brushed them first. You like that? It is. Yes. Okay. What the heck? I'm obviously going to blend it. I'm obviously blending it. I'm not just leaving it like that. It's okay. This blending's gonna happen.
This looks so bad.
You know what?
That jawline, I really like this foundation line too. It's really nice.
Ooh, this is satisfying. This looks very pink and I'm very excited. What a letdown. Okay, I for sure shouldn't be going all the way up to your eyebrow. I don't want to get left out. Okay. You know what? No, this is for a Vogue photo cover because they put the eyeshadow up to the eyebrows sometimes. Why does it always look worse when I look at it? Why is it brown?
Did you put it in the right color?
Yes, obviously, because I was reading it out as I said it. Well, okay, like, in the pictures, it's, like, bright. There's a whole bunch sticking to your face. Well,
why did you use purple in the inner
could be
corner?
worse. All right. Okay, let's see.
This is almost as bad as when Joeleden did it, and she was blindfolded. Oh, hello.
She looks like...
I look like a hummingbird.
No, I'm just gonna get in there.
Did you-
Heck! This sucks.
So remember at the beginning when I said she's probably really bad at doing makeup, and you said, we don't know that.
We know that.
We know that.
Okay, there's gonna be part 2. I'm gonna follow a tutorial because...
That's a better idea.
So, she's not gonna have any, like, foundation or anything on anymore because I've wiped it all off. So this is like au naturel got punched in the eye kind of thing. Your hair's on my mouth. I'm mad at this. I maybe won't even let you post this because I'm so mad. Okay, honey. You know what? As an underlayer, guys, it's working. Yes. Apparently we're going back up to the brow again. This thing you just made that
I just look
decision
like a copper
for
pipe. Well, my left eye is a little less promising than my right because my left eye doesn't have eyelashes, so hello.
Eyelashes?
Eyelashes.
Ooh.
Well, at least I'm glowing to the gods. I
gonna
look
finish
like
that
I'm
off with
plastic.
Oh heck, it's quite gooey.
Liquid latex.
Looks good.
Okay,
That's my phone.
Is that the completed look?
Yeah, because I don't really feel like doing anything else.
Oh, I look utterly ridiculous. Thanks for trying.
No, I think I honestly gave up as soon as I started using, well, the very first thing I put on your face, basically. Like, as soon as the flakes of the product I was putting on your face started getting in your hair, I was like, yeah, no, I think we're just gonna have to not. Could be worse. No, not really.
Okay, well, I guess we'll just close out this video then. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please click subscribe. I know I haven't been posting regularly, however, I'm back. Why don't I just leave you there? I think it's kind of funny if you can see it. That is all. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Go follow Brooklyn for all of her efforts. Her things are right there. Anyways, that is all. I will see you next Tuesday. Right, this outro is a big mess, just like my face, so Merry Christmas, guys. See you next Tuesday. Bye-bye. I don't know why I did that. That was really weird. This is really unnecessary. I haven't filmed in so long. I don't even know what I do anymore.